Good morning. Geese, no go. Just because we can't find them and they're being a pain in the butt. They disappeared, this front come through. We had some sights on some. They were switching feeds. I don't know. They're doing weird stuff. So, we got some wedding stuff to get to this weekend, so we can't really do too much goose. But we got our local farmer wanting us to get rid of some pigeons, so that's what we're doing this morning. We're just going to be sitting in a little cow pasture and shooting some pigeon. With that being said, I hope this thing don't shot me. And yep, got the new pea shooter with the tubes. I didn't feel like taking them out. There's feathers everywhere. I don't know if that's because somebody else has shot them or because they're just all over the place in here, but we'll find out. Just me and Cameron this morning, and got our makeshift silhouettes out. It's a good tip for y'all. Don't buy them. Just paint them. And they work the exact same. We just cut up some old signs and used them to paint them with. So, we'll see what we can do. I got a shot cam in the GoPro. We'll catch y'all. Where are they coming from? Oh my gosh, there's more. No. No, the tube on them boys. And then hot too. We suck. We need to go home. What in the world?
He really don't go down?
He did.
One more.
Oh. He's still alive.
He's walking good.
Look how, that's what they needed the whole time. I think I got him. Did we both hit that first one?
Yeah.
No. What? I don't like him looking at me like that. I come back over here. Buddy, I'm sorry for your life. Whee! Did you shoot?
Nope.
Oh.
I was there for backup.
Uh-oh. Here we are. Here we are. Here we are. Do it. One more time. One more time. Right now? Somewhere he went down. Lord have mercy. Should we just see if they'll land?
We'll try.
Just to see. Is there any colors? Oh no. As long as we don't shoot at them, we're okay. They think we're safe. They're gonna try to go sit down with that one. What about these out here? I mean, that was our chance. Oh, maybe not. Hold on. I just like watching them. The problem is when you shoot one time, they go all over the place, so you can't really, you know. Or maybe they do. Okay. I don't know. I guess shoot them. Get up! Hey! We got live decoys. I don't want to keep shooting them off this line.
I'm saying let these four work in.
If these start getting up though,
Fucking shoot that one. Wait,
I ain't hit a dang thing.
I didn't even shoot.
Oh, can't. Two.
I got shells ready to burn.
Well, they might right here. It's coming in hot. Shoot him. Shoot him.
I wasn't ready for it. You should have waited.
Yeah, that's right, donkeys, go away. I'm about to smoke you, buddy. We both smoked him. I didn't hit nothing.
Right here, right here. No, wait. Yes, sir. That's what I'm talking about, son.
I want them to land on the ground. What are they doing? Oh my goodness gracious alive. Yo.
Now, why would you fly all the way back out here just for that?
Look at that weird, look, you see that colored one? They're filing back. We'll get them going here. Oh my goodness.
They don't know what to do.
No.
So we shoot next best.
You reckon if they swing back over, we need to try?
We got one, too.
Or these four. Or all of them. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Wait, hold on, wait. Never mind. I better shoot that one.
Well, the wind was rough, but we ended with, I don't know, 30 something, close to 30. Yeah, some of them like to do it good, some of them didn't, but either way, fun little morning. Now I got a wedding to get to, and next week maybe we can get on some geese. Hope y'all enjoy it. Catch you on the next one.